In this video, I will show you how to deactivate Instagram account. This should be quite a quick and easy tutorial, but before we continue, be sure to leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So to do this, the first thing we're going to do is open up Instagram. So you want to open up the Instagram app on your device. Then what you want to do is come across to your profile page by pressing your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're on your profile page, come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to open up your settings. Now, from time to time, Instagram do change where the deactivation option is. So the best way to find out where deactivation is by using this little search box at the top. So if you actually press onto the search box and start to type deactivation, you should get a suggested result, as you can see in my case, saying deactivation or deletion. So what you can now do is give that a press, and what it's going to do is load up a screen like this. As you can see, it says to start the process, select what you'd like to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete. So in this case, it's going to be our Instagram account. You can see that's listed here. So you're going to select your profile from the list here. Now, once you've done that, you're going to get two options. As you can see, deactivating your account is temporary. So what this means is that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. Now, you've also got the option to permanently delete your account. Of course, in this tutorial today, we're looking at how to deactivate. So what I'm going to do is select deactivate account and then come down and press the blue continue button. At this point, it's going to ask you to enter your password for security to continue. So you want to enter that into the box and press continue. Then what it's going to do is ask for some feedback for why you're deactivating your account. So you can choose something from the list, but if you can't see anything there, just come down to the bottom, select something else, and then press continue. Then you're going to get a final confirmation. All you need to do is press the blue deactivate account button, and it's going to start to deactivate your Instagram account. Now, as you can see, it says you can reactivate your account at any time through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. So this is only temporary. It doesn't fully permanently delete your account. But after a couple of minutes, what's going to happen is you're going to get a confirmation saying that your account's been deactivated. So that is how to deactivate Instagram account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.